MRO stands for Maintain, Repair, and Operations, right? So this is essentially a warehouse that houses all of the material that our plants could or would need to maintain and repair their equipment to make sure that the plants get what they need in a timely manner, in a safe manner, and they're up and running. We're literally living in the future with this building here, right? Over there, you'll see what's called the vertical lift module. It's essentially a fancy vending machine. We'll put all of our smaller parts into those VLMs. With a punch of a button, with a few clicks, you can get the part that you're looking for. It'll bring it down for you. It'll point to where the part is on the tray, and there you go. And the other part of the automation is smart forklifts. These forklifts are essentially they run on a wire guide and have several safety features, right? Like collision monitoring, collision control, which makes sure that the forklift operator is safe, pedestrians are safe, and eliminates the need for a spotter.
Path to Zero is a very significant mega project for Dow. And I think the scale of the MRO, the scale of the adjacent Diamond Center really showcase how big the program is. These are world-class buildings that will be seen for many, many decades to come, and that will be valued by the site and by the stakeholders that work in them.